Yearly Param Nivedan for 2022 to become successful through the power and grace of Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो, सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ। Paramji, with your holy power, 2021 passed smoothly. Thank your holiness, Paramji. Please empower this yearly Param Nivedan so that 2022 becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me with more courage in my work, business, profession, agriculture, and animal husbandry. I wish to become more wealthy and make other people wealthier in this new year. I will register the details of my profession or business in the P3Y Karta profession portal in the p3ythf.com website. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money in a righteous manner and also to propagate P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become more wealthy, I will remain humble before Paramji and all P3Y Kartas. May chartered accountants, etc., remain in my favor. Income Enhancement Online P3Y class, Surat, every Thursday 7 a.m. India time, streamed live on YouTube and Facebook, P3Y THF. May my development in material aspects of life become faster. May I achieve all my goals and may my obstructed tasks get through quickly. May all the wishes I ask for in Papra and the Papra I make others to do during this year get fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak. I wish that the information about Good Luck Papra Card GLPC reaches every household community in my district under the mission Good Luck Papra Card GLPC for all. I will go door to door to distribute Good Luck Papra cards and will do the same after reading the GLPC page. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be a good harvest. Quality and production of milk in cattle will increase. Give me the strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y classes. I am an honest, obedient, and brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others so as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this January winter season. Please increase my immunity power. May I not get affected by common colds, corona, Omicron, etc. There should be no wave of Omicron in the country. If I become sick, may I be cured through Papra water. Disease Prevention P3Y online class of January month will be streamed live on the last Sunday of the month, January 30, 7 p.m. May my mind and intellect be pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yog daily and will follow Paramji Adesh and P3Y teachers' advice. Please give me mental peace and good intellectual capacity. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work I do. Paramji Dhyan class, Friday 7 pm. May I get inspiration from the meeting of the P3Y International Club and have increased courage to do P3Y public work that benefits the society in my area. Give me the intelligence to do logical prachar of P3Y in 2022. I will give good luck papra cards and teach papra param yog to people in distress in my country as well as abroad. I will inform people to attend 7 am, 7 pm daily online P3Y classes by maintaining physical distancing. I will keep repeating the three Mahasutras, the great slogans of P3Y. First, the truth. P3Y fulfills desires. Second, eligible persons are those who are honest, obedient, and brave. Third, Jai Ghosh. Bina prachar nahi uddhar. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful, and caring towards each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Please enhance their memory for studies. May they get good marks in exams. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values and teach the truth to my children. I will make them recite the intelligent student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra. I will distribute P3Y notebooks among students. Please bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitradosh, Vastudosh, and other related problems. Protect me and my family from obstructions like all kinds of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accompaniment, accidents, fire, earthquake, cold, other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. May I not face adversities. In case I face any, may I be able to overcome them with the power of P3Y. In the new year, Paramji Samvat 29 will start in July. In the PDME literature, Paramji has given Adesh to undertake holy pilgrimage to Umargaon and PDME destinations. Paramji has also written about the first month of Paramji Samvat, the month of Cancer, Paramji Bhakti Mas. I will keep telling people that Paramji has empowered Umargaon as a PDME destination, a Kumbh destination. Whosoever will undertake this holy pilgrimage of Umargaon, his wishes will be fulfilled quickly, his blocked tasks will get accomplished quickly. More and more P3Y power seekers, committed P3Y Kartas, will continue to undertake this holy pilgrimage of Umargaon, PDME, and will definitely travel to Umargaon in Bhakti Mas. Umargaon PDME Yatra, Bhakti Mas yearly online P3Y class, Umargaon P3Y Dhyan Center Foundation Day, P3Y Yagya class 2022, August 14th, Sunday 10 am. Umargaon PDME Yatra Pre-Wedding Paramji Puja P3Y class, January 16th, 10 am. I will inform on mobile number +91 8141763796 before coming to Umargaon P3Y Dhyan Center so that good arrangements can be made. I will lovingly celebrate all festivals mentioned in the P3Y calendar. P3Y festival classes, 4 Mahotsavs in a year, Makar Shankranti, January 14th, Ram Navami, April 21st, Guru Purnima, July 23rd, Dashera, October 5th, and will attend the P3Y Meditation Center, Althan, Surat, Foundation Day Utsav class and student class, January 2nd, 10 am, monthly Shivaratri, Amavas, Paramji procession, January 9th, Purnami, etc. P3Y classes. In this new year, I will renew Rakshak Papra sticker, Paramvani sticker, Papra Vibhuti, and other P3Y literature at my home. In the new year, may everything be good in my house. For that, I will keep organizing P3Y Google Meet class or P3Y online Yagya class and will inspire others too. I will invite people to attend Google Meet P3Y class of Tuesday 9 pm taken by Dr. Ajit. I will invite Dr. Ajit to my Google Meet class to guide me on my question so that along with me, other people of my society also get the benefit of P3Y power. I will translate online in my local language so that I can be a better P3Y Pracharak. P3Y Work Inspiration. Mayurbhai, Panchal, UK sold 500 English P3Y calendars in UK. Amiksha Mata and other P3Y Kartas also went door to door market and sold P3Y calendars. They all received immense P3Y power. I will take inspiration from them for doing P3Y propagation work. I offer my destiny of 2022 to the holy feet of Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. I will propagate this yearly Param Nivedan amongst maximum people, will do good work and will behave pleasantly towards others in this year. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful and humble than I am at present. May I have a better 2022 with P3Y Shakti. Protect me from all troubles and diseases. If I have any serious problem, I will contact Dr. Ajit at +91 8160 711859 or any other P3Y teacher. Paprava 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give. Mention the money in whichever currency you earn and decide the amount on your own to Paramji, or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paprava 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give P3Y good luck cards, will distribute P3Y books to 1 or more persons as per your capacity. I will attend online P3Y classes. I will arrange Google Meet online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ythf.com. I will upload a 2-minute video or audio about my miraculous P3Y experience on the website or by text through WhatsApp. I offer this yearly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji, alias His Holiness.